Hello friends, today's topic 1:1 bonus in Reliance shares shortly. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. The purpose of the video is financial education of society. Today I am covering three topics. This is topic number 1. Reliance Industries has announced that its board of directors will consider a 1:1 bonus issue on 5th September. If approved, this will be RIL's first bonus issue in 7 years. Reliance shares rallied by 1.5% today. With this bonus issue, the company aims to reward shareholders for its strong financial performance, and this is also expected to enhance the liquidity of RIL shares since the bonus would make the stock price lower and hence more interest from retail investors. Now bonus history of Reliance Industries shares. Year 1983, bonus 3:5. 1997, 1:1. 2009, 1:1. 2017, 1:1. The AGM today, Reliance Industries made many announcements and updates about its business. 1. Jio, now world's largest mobile data company with 49 crore users who are on an average consuming over 30 GB data of data monthly. 2. Jio's network carries nearly 8% of global mobile traffic. 3. Jio users to get up to 100 GB of free cloud storage to store and access photos, videos, documents, all other digital content and data. 4. Reliance Retail is among the top 5 global retailers in terms of number of stores and among the top 10 in terms of market capitalization. 5. Reliance Retail is also among the top 20 retailers in terms of number of employees globally and among the top 30 retailers in terms of revenue. 6. Reliance Retail has built 19,000 stores with nearly 8 crore square feet across 7,000 plus cities. 7. RIL contributes nearly 30% of India's domestic gas production. 8. It will commence production of RIL's own solar photovoltaic PV. 8. It will commence production of RIL's own solar photovoltaic PV modules by the end of this year. 9. The production of the integrated advanced chemistry-based battery manufacturing facility at Jamnagar will begin by second half of next year. 10. Reliance new energy business will be a new jewel in Reliance crown. The company expects it to become as big and profitable for the next 5 to 7 years as their oil to chemical business. So the markets and the Reliance shareholders in particular will be waiting for 5th September to see the board of directors approve the bonus issue. Topic number 2, Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv shares went up by more than 2% each today since reports have suggested that Bajaj Housing Finance may launch its IPO as soon as first half of September 2024. Bajaj Housing Finance is likely to collect around 7,000 crore from this IPO. The IPO will have special quota for shareholders of Bajaj Finserv and Bajaj Finance, both of whom are classified as promoters. Bajaj Finance has a 100% stake in Bajaj Housing, while Bajaj Finserv holds 51.34% of Bajaj Finance. The public issue will have 4,000 crore fresh issue and 3,000 crore offer for sale. Although the company has not yet announced the IPO issue price, Bajaj Housing Finance is already trading at a grey market premium of ₹41 in unlisted markets. As of March 2024, company's AUM, assets under management, was 9.14 lakh crores, growing at an annualized rate of 30.9% in the last 3 years. The average ticket size for home loans is rupees 46 lakhs. Topic number 3. Tata Motors share price rallied more than 4% today to close at around 1122. At one point, it had gone up by around 6%. It rallied because the company announced trading in its differential voting rights, that is DVR shares, will stop after market hours today due to the conversion of DVR shares into ordinary shares. Tata Motors had issued differential voting right shares in 2008, which did not have voting rights like normal shares. Now, Tata Motors will cancel DVR shares by issuing ordinary shares. Tata Motors will issue 7 ordinary shares of Tata Motors for every 10 DVRs held by investors. End of the video, here is the question. Which of the above shares do you hold in your portfolio? Type in the comment section. If you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.